Hi guys, it's Peter from Digital Earning Palace, and if you want to gain more clicks to your YouTube channel and make more sales, then watch this video till the very end. Doing what I'm about to share with you in this video will give you more clicks to your YouTube channel, adding up to more watch time to your videos and make you more sales. I'm going to be showing you how to increase and boost your sales using YouTube. Before we get started, don't forget to pick up your free YouTube checklist. I have links in the description. The first step is to go to your video description and simply add links to your premium courses, your landing pages, or your affiliate links. Also make sure that these links to your premium courses, affiliate links, or landing pages that you are adding to your video description are related to the published video or videos as the case may be. This is important because if people love your video, there is a higher chance that they would go ahead and make purchase using the links you have included in your video description. It is also a good practice to pin links to your landing pages, affiliate links, or premium courses in the video comment section. Two things are important here: putting links to your landing pages, your premium courses or services, or affiliate links to the video description, adding a pinned comment in the comment section of your video. The next tip is to head over to the About section of your channel and give a description about your channel. Here also, you have the option to add or include your premium services and links inside of the description of your channel. Doing this, you will begin to gain more clicks over time and even make more sales. The third tip is to include in your channel art call to actions that will redirect viewers back to your channel, or use your channel art or banner to collect leads, which you can as well use these leads collected to send newsletters, promotions, or notification of your video uploads. You could also use this to redirect viewers to your website or store, or whatever it is that you are offering. When they land on your website, they turn to leads and get in touch with your premium services and become premium users. You can use this little trick to get more clicks and more traffic in a way to your channel, ultimately your premium services. So I urge you, go ahead and create a very nice channel art and add an arrow redirecting your viewers to links attached in your channel art. If you want to learn how to create a high converting channel art, you should watch the video that I have created on how to create your YouTube channel art. I have links in the description. Now, how do you add links to your channel art? Simply go to the Customize Channel button, head over to the About section, scroll down and edit the links that you want to appear in your channel art. The above mentioned tip depends on something which is of great importance, which is increasing views on your videos, thereby giving your channel a lot of visitors, which in turn become leads or customers, as you may call it. You definitely need to get a lot of visitors to your channel. The reason for this is so that people can see your channel. For this main purpose, your channel needs to be promoted. Well, to help you with promoting your channel, check out free video courses here on my channel with links in the description to show you how you can promote your YouTube channel. Please do check them out so you can boost your YouTube views. Apply also the above tips and watch your sales boost continuously. The next tip is to use a link shortener. Shorten links to your premium services, whatever product or whatever it is you are promoting. This link shortener helps you to monitor your links performances so you can see what links are working the most for your channel. And this gives you the chance to optimize your channel using the analytics obtained from the URL shortener or link shortener, as you may choose to call it. You can get started with it for free, and when your business keeps growing, you can upgrade to a paid version of it to have access to even more features that come with it. So if this video is one that you like, don't forget to watch other YouTube growth videos on my channel. I'm certain you would love them also. Consider also subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell notification first to be notified of future updates. See you in my next video.